This is Pre-Calc lesson 76, number 16. So it reads, a parabola has a vertex at -3, -2, so that's the vertex, and a focus is at -3, 5, and sorry, my computer. -3, 5. Write the equation of the parabola. So I need the equation of the parabola, I need the equation of the directrix and the axis of symmetry, and I need a graph. Well, I like to draw the graph first, or at least look at the graph. So I know that if this is the focus is -3, 5, the focus is going to be on the inside of the parabola, so that means it's going to be an upward facing parabola. Of course, I guess I can't really draw it until I find out P. P is the distance between the focus and the vertex. So I think it's 7 because this is 5 and that's -2. So P 7, and then the equation in vertex form of a parabola is y equals 1/4 times P, but instead of P I'm going to put 7 times x minus h squared plus k. Well, x minus h, so x minus h, so that's going to be, this is the vertex right here. So it's going to be x minus -3, which is the same as x plus 3. And then -2, I shouldn't have put the plus. -2 is k, because that's the y coordinate of the vertex. So I will write this equation up here where it says, so I'll call that 28, 1/28 times x minus 3 squared minus 2. So that's my equation of the parabola. The directrix is, we have a student who calls it the anti-focus. It's on the other side of the focus. So if the distance from the vertex to the focus was 7, then I can just go count down 7. That's my directrix, and that would be, kind of looks like this. So if I counted down, well, what do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, I guess I have -9. So that's -9 right there. So I'll just say the directrix is, this is y and this is x. X equals -9. Okay, and then the axis of symmetry is basically going to be a vertical axis at y equals -3. So I've answered all the questions. I don't quite have a graph because it's going to be a really shallow parabola. I can tell by that 1/28 right there. So I kind of need to probably just plot one point. So we've been just plugging in 0, you know, like make a little t-table. I mean, if you can think of something nicer to plug in, you got 1/28 right here, so it's not going to be that nice. So if I put in 0 plus 3, that would be 3, and 3 squared is 9, and 9/28, well, let's do that on scratch paper, 9/28 minus 2, I'm just going to let my calculator, usually I would do the fraction math, but I've had a long day, so I'm just going to let my calculator do that. 9 divided by 28 minus 2, and that's -41/25, which I'll get a decimal for it. That's -1.64, and that's okay because I only have to just plot one point. So 0, x is 0, y is -1.64, so somewhere in between the -1 and the -2. Okay, and then I know I just made this little red dot for that. I don't know if you can't see the colors though, but it's red. And then, so there's going to be another one on the other side the exact same distance. So the distance is 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, make another little red dot. Then I'm going to connect them in a smooth parabolic curve. And that's sufficient for my graph. Okay, I just used symmetry. So there's the completed answer.